While we're waiting for our vegetable stock to break down, we're going to start in on our rice. So we're going to heat our front burner up to 8. We're going to add a tablespoon of oil to our large pot. While we're waiting for that to heat, we're going to chop off the top of our onion and then cut it in half. After that, we're going to cut it in half again, and then we'll just very easily remove the outer layer of skin. We will discard our skin and then mince our onion into small pieces. We'll go over them one more time to make sure there are no large chunks. And once that's cut, I'm going to go and take 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to examine both ends. One end has nothing and the other has a little brown end. We're going to cut that off and discard. And we're going to cut both cloves of garlic.